Hey, good afternoon, everyone. So another video for this year's CNE. Today's August 21st, 2026. So we're in the Arts, Crafts, and Hobby building. So we'll just do a run through. So like this is the second building, along with the Undercarriage Center. They also have vendors, artisans, and whatnot. So hope it's not too bouncy to the video, but let's have a look. So we'll go row by row. First we'll just go through the perimeter. Looks like there's a panel here, the crafting workshops, that is. Okay. Wow, every year these guys are here. They sell these neon signs. See that Blue Jay one? That one looks enticing. Hey, I want coffee. Little shop of lobsters.
I'm gonna come back here and get that.
Okay, and then we have the cookies and butter tarts. Patches. Oh, Cops records. Vinyl's always popular. Myself, I'm collecting CDs right now. They're relatively very cheap. Still very collectible. Alright, so we have prints here, movies and whatnot. Caricatures. 3D printed stuff. That's neat. This is a neat shop here, just because it's many paintings, kinds of all things Toronto.
Straight to the right. Outside to the right.
Alright, more movie posters. Kiki's Delivery Service, if that's Japanese. Cinema shop, the Hollywood Canteen. Oh wow. So they sell movies and stuff too. ice cream shop looks very enticing, but the prices do not. $8 for okay, for a single scoop, $8. Very tax.
Where did you get the turkey legs? In the full building? Okay.
Alright, so this is essentially where we entered, so now we'll go through all the roads. Oh, let me adjust. Sorry. Okay, that's better. Particular picture frame.
Oh, actually, no, it is.
2025 champions. They should have won that World Series. Tesla sauce. Oh, no, thank you. One side tree.
But I'm gonna make it so it's like ice cream and that's all.
Excuse me. Okay. Now this section. Oh, that's interesting. They have a.
They got one.
What's this? For alcoholic beverages. Okay. Russian delicious. Oh, olives and stuff. Goodbye chocolate. Now, how much is this? I love this store. So these are socks. Cheerio socks, Oreo socks. T-shirts. Oh, honey. Some cool knickknacks. Hi, push. Puzzles, the 80s. Even selling vinyl. Bowie playing cards. Row. Okay, gourmet lollipops. There's that sign store again. Pop fiction. Popcorn, $12 for a bag. Alright, there's some fudge. £1/4, $6.75. Custom embroidery. Look at that hats here. Oh, we're almost done. The tubs, cosplaying rubber band. That's a cute idea. Spice rubs, barbecue.
Come in every day for the next.
I'm playing them by ear.
Crochet shop. Neat. Sketch bot. Mini plants and more fudge. Alright guys, we're at the end of this video, I'd say. So that's all the stores that's here. Can check it out. All the 2 shopping areas. And until the next video, we'll see you then. And thanks again for coming along. Alright, talk to you later. Peace.